Dear students, welcome to virtual classroom of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. I am Sri Kumar. The class is for 10th standard students. Subject is mathematics. Let me begin the class.
So, dear students, we are going ahead with the circle chapter, and this will be the concluding video of it, especially about making you the concept clear. I repeat that we studied about circle passings through 1, 2 or 3 points. You know what is a secant now, what is a tangent now, and you know the concept of circle touching each other both internally and externally. Correct? Two type of that: arc of an angle, inscribed angle, intercepted arc, cyclic quadrilateral, and the last video was secant tangent angle theorem. And what is left is theorem of intersecting chords. One of the important chapter, and covers a lot of page in your textbook. You have to practice a lot, use the video, use the examples, try, apply whatever you have learned in maths and algebra and geometry to understand. Exam is in March. By the end of January you should be thorough with each and every sum in the textbook. मुझे मालूम है आपको गाइड से आंसर मिलेगा, कोई दोस्त भी देगा आंसर, इंटरनेट भी देगा आंसर, लेकिन आपको थियरम और कंसेप्ट ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स नहीं मालूम है तो you may get into trouble in exam. So practice is your slogan. Please remember that. Let me go ahead to make you understand what is left in the textbook or left in the syllabus. For that I will just go ahead. Let me remove all this. Okay. Theorem of internal division of chords. This is what is given as the next theorem to understand. What does it mean? We know what is a chord. Here there is a chord AB. आपको chord AB देख सकते हैं. And there is a chord CD also. These are the two chords. Internal division of chords. They are intersecting here. And we are asked to prove AE into EB is equal to CE into ED. Let us see. AE into EB. This and this. We are asked to prove the product of it is equal to CE into ED. This we have to prove. Okay. So here is a construction we are making. It's additional construction made. And we know that this angle is equal to this because they are vertically opposite angle, which we have studied in 7th standard or 6th standard. Now we know that if you consider AD, I put either F also, AFD as an arc, AFD को एक arc समझेगा, या आप either connecting these 2 points, if you draw a chord or consider this arc, you can say that this angle will be equal to this angle. Angle inscribed by the same arc inscribed. Which are the inscribed angle? Here I can say angle ACE and angle ABD. Both are equal because they are angle inscribed by the arc AFD. तो ये दोनों इक्वल हो गया. In triangle ACD, 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 and in triangle ACD के जैसा DBA, we have two angles. Now, in triangle ACE, triangle I mean, and in triangle DBE, we have two angles congruent. So, by AA test, we can say that they are similar. Triangle ACE congruently similar to triangle DBE by AA test. अगर similar है तो we know that the sides are proportional. First chapter का information. So when you look at the sides of this, we can write AC upon DB will be the same proportion will be there in AE upon DE, same proportion AE upon DE, AC upon DB. Now what is rough? It is CE upon BE also. Now we will look at this, anything is applicable here. That means these two, if you cross multiply, AE into BE, nothing but EB in the question, is equal to CE into ED, same DE. So we could prove that. That means हमको क्या समझना है? If there is a circle and there are two chords intersecting like this, then A and B if I am marking here, and C and D if I am marking here. Here it is AE into EB. So I will write A into B is equal to C into D. आपको समझने के लिए. And we could prove it. The theorem is of internal division of chords. Please pause the video here and try to grasp it completely. मैं मिटा दूंगा, आप पॉज करेगा तो आपको एक सेकंड पीछे लेके पॉज करने का मिल जाएगा. I will be going ahead with video. You will pause and grasp it and go. Let me go ahead. Theorem of external division of chords. So सर internal नहीं, external division में भी इधर देखो chords नहीं, इसको secant बोलना पड़ेगा. Chords extended. First was internal division, now it is external division of chords. Chords extend किया तो externally divide हो गया, इधर divide हो. Okay, no problem. We will try to find out what is this. In triangle ADE and CB, ADE and CBE, good. AED is congruent to dash, common angle. What is AED? Okay. This is congruent to the other one because of common angle. तो इसका कॉमन आने वाला AED, तो कॉमन विल बी CEB, where we are having central angle common, E common. Naming is very important, always I have said. थोड़ा disturbance है audio में, please bear with me. Okay, then comes, think about DAE angle, this angle, and BCE, this angle. They are congruent, it is written. हमको दिया है. We have to write the reason here. reason is in this chapter. Both are having common arc BD. तो क्या है, DAE and BCE are inscribed angle of arc BD. ठीक है, तो वो क्लियर हो गया. Now we are saying here is an angle common, here is another angle, then that means first stated ADE and CBE ऑर्डर लेने का. C अगर ADE ली तो हमको क्या लेना पड़ेगा, CBE आर सिमिलर बाय AA टेस्ट. सिमिलैरिटी आ गया तो साइड्स आर प्रोपोर्शनल. लाइक AE will be proportional to CE में हमेशा इसमें देख के A और E लिया तो उधर C और E लेने का. अंडरस्टूड. देन वी नीड CED, नो CED वाला लेने का. ओके, ED this one will be equal to EB. That means if you multiply this with this, corresponding angles of sides of similar triangle, AE into ED, this will be equal to AE into EB. वही तो पूछा है, वही तो प्रूव करना है. सो इफ द secant containing codes, हाँ मैं बोला ना secant हो गया ना, secant containing code of AB and CD of a circle intersect outside the circle. एक सर्कल बनाया, उसके अंदर पहले कोड बना के अंदर इंसर्ट किया था. अभी क्या कर रहे हैं, अभी कोड बना के बाहर इंटरसेक्ट करेंगे. दिस वे. Even then, the AE into EB, AE is the full length and B. This is A, E and then EB, this piece. It will be having equality with C, E and here you will put D. So that also proved. A number of theorems proved, number of properties of circle studied in this chapter. आपको ये सब एक पेपर में उतारना है सब एक साथ. एंड आई मेड 4 videos ऑन दिस only to explain the conceptual properties of circle. More than 4, I think maybe the 5th video. कंसेप्ट क्लियर करो, थियरम समझ लो, एग्जाम्पल समझ लो, सब कुछ होने के बाद लड़ाई के लिए निकलेंगे. दैट इज व्हाट इज डूइंग एक्सरसाइज. बिफोर दैट अंडरस्टैंड द थियरम, apply the theorem and application of theorem in the examples. Thorough 100% guarantee that each example is understood. Whatever I have given explanation, I have given understood. आपका सब तैयार हो गया तो आप प्रैक्टिस शुरू करेंगे. गिव एटलीस्ट 1 week कंटिन्यूअस प्रैक्टिस फॉर सर्कल सो दैट आपको आगे कुछ तकलीफ नहीं होगा. मतलब सर्कल पढ़ने के लिए पूरा 1 हफ्ते डिवोट कर देंगे प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए. प्रैक्टिस के साथ साथ वीडियो देखेंगे, एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे, टेक्स्ट बुक देखेंगे. Circle is a beautiful figure. Circle has got lot of importance in geometry. Circle has got lot of properties. That is the reason. जैसे मैं सर्कल चैप्टर के शुरुआत में बोला था, सर्कल स्फीयर सब ज्योमेट्री का फंडामेंटल है. And it is from arc we are making perpendiculars. क्या बताया, परपेंडिकुलर हमेशा ऐसा 90 डिग्री वाला है, लेकिन ये 90 डिग्री बनाने के लिए भी हम आर्क यूज़ करते हैं क्योंकि हम अर्थ का कर्वेचर पकड़ते हैं उसमें. आप कितना भी परपेंडिकुलर बनाओ, ऑल द परपेंडिकुलर शुड रीच द कोर ऑफ द अर्थ. समझा नहीं ना, वही तो कोर ऑफ ज्योमेट्री है. Love it, you will understand. Thank you my dear students. This video is short, I know. Why? Because concluding the chapter, and we will see that how it works. Thank you.
Now click on the subscription button below to subscribe the channel, then the bell button to get the notifications of the new videos. Thank you.